All right, we're all set, Judge.
All right, you said McKeever?
Yes.
Very well. Let's see. Good morning, Mr. McKeever. How are you today? You have to unmute your microphone, Mr. McKeever.
Good morning. I'm good.
Raise your right hand. Wait a minute. Is this a dismissal, Madam Clerk?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. McKeever, you have ticket number SP 105709551. The People versus Victor, VICTOR McKeever, MCKEEVER. Mr. McKeever, you are charged with one count of having a motor vehicle that is not properly registered or titled. I am told that you have a registration, the vehicle is titled, and you are compliant with the law. As a result of that, Mr. McKeever, this matter is being dismissed. You are free to go, sir.
Your Honor,
Thank you.
he has 2 other tickets as well and a bench warrant.
Are all of these, he's compliant with all of these matters, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. McKeever, obviously, when you register your motor vehicle, that automatically gives you the current license plates or tabs or whichever it might be. And I'm also told that you have a current valid license, driver's license. So for each of these matters, you are compliant with the law. As a result, all 3 of these matters are dismissed, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Madam Attorney Jenkins, for letting me know I had missed those 2 counts.
Appreciate
Good
you.
morning, Mr. Potts. How are you today?
You're welcome.
Attorney Potts. I shouldn't give you your proper title.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm well, sir. Thank you for asking.
Yep.
See, anybody could be Mr. Potts, but that Attorney Potts, that required work and money.
A lot of money.
Absolutely.
Your Honor,
Yes, counsel.
this is my first time appearing before you, and I'm relatively new to House Counsel with 36th District.
I would have never known it. So see.
Thank you. Thank you very much. We haven't had that many people appear. How long would you like me to remain available?
Counsel, my court's standard practice is to give each individual, both the defendants and the officers, 1 hour to get here. If they're not here within that hour, and I give them that time, I know some courtrooms do a little less, half an hour or so. But I recognize that a lot of people there's still some challenges for some people to get onto Zoom. And I certainly don't want to deny them their day in court because they were struggling.
I understand.
I think 1 hour is a fair time. If the officers are not here on a date where it's a trial or a formal hearing, and there's no rational explanation for their lack of appearance, that matter is dismissed. If the officers are here and the defendant is not, I give the defendant 1 hour, and after 1 hour, I release the officers.
Okay.
And that's from the time they are scheduled. So if someone is scheduled from 8:30, that time is 9:30. If it's 8 o'clock, that's obviously 9 o'clock. So.
Okay, and I see our last batch this morning is 9 o'clock, so I'm guessing like 10, 15.
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 1 hour from that point, from time they're scheduled.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Although I did have a attorney try to chastise me the other recently, who said they were there and it was 15 minutes later and he was ready to go and the prosecutor wasn't there, and I guess he wanted to find the prosecutor in contempt and to and tell me that he shouldn't have to wait. So I was like, well, I said, when you put on the robe, you can set your court rules the way you want to. I was like, I think it's fair to give everyone an opportunity from both sides.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
See, I went to law school in New York. I lived in New York for a long time.
Is that New York or New York?
Right? If you're 15 minutes late, you're early. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, so it's like that in New York?
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah, so far. I think Wednesdays are like that too.
Oh, because we were supposed to have that trial today, so.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. It was supposed to be
Yeah.
there for a trial.
So were you in Brooklyn?
I was in Brooklyn for a little while. I was in Flatbush. I was in Crown Heights.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I was in Fort Greene.